Hello, everybody, and it's Matt McCann again. It is Sunday, June 26th, and we're just back from a bike ride. It did pretty good today. Um, I gotta get back into a thing. I am really worn out today. Today we did uh, almost 5.25 miles, about 30 minutes. We're actually still doing pretty good. This is not too bad for us. So I'm gonna go cool off because I am still sweating ridiculously. And later on today, I'm getting a tattoo, which will probably be live feed. So see you later, and keep an eye out for it. Talk to you later. Bye.